Fuel your recovery. Top foods for post-surgery healing and faster wound healing. Hello and welcome to this informative video on post-surgery nutrition and healing. If you or a loved one has recently undergone surgery or an injury, the right nutrition can play a crucial role in recovery and wound healing. In this video, we'll be discussing the top foods that can help you get back to your best health in no time. After surgery, it's important to give your body the proper nutrients it needs to heal. Not only do these foods help speed up the healing process, but they can also improve overall health, reduce inflammation, and increase energy levels. So let's dive in and find out the top foods you should be incorporating into your post-surgery diet. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help improve overall health and speed up wound healing. Try incorporating spinach, kale, and collard greens into your diet for optimal benefits. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing inflammation and promoting wound healing. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are high in antioxidants that can help reduce oxidative stress and improve overall health. Garlic. Garlic is a natural anti-inflammatory and has antimicrobial properties that can help fight infections and speed up wound healing. Chicken soup. Chicken soup is a classic post-surgery food for a reason. It's high in protein, low in fat, and has a soothing effect that can help reduce inflammation and improve overall health. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can help support overall health and speed up wound healing. Yogurt. Yogurt is a good source of probiotics, which are essential for gut health and can help improve digestion and reduce inflammation. Conclusion: these are just a few of the top foods you should be incorporating into your post-surgery diet to speed up healing and improve overall health. Remember, it's always best to consult with your healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. We hope that this video is informative and helpful.